to all. My name is Shrika, BSc Computer Science first year student from Mangekarasi Arts and Science College for Humans. Today I am going to take a topic, generation of a computer. According to this modern world, we are also coming from a part of generation. So let's see what are the types of generation and its uses. So let's see, first generation, its period is 1940 to 1956 and it was developed using vacuum tube or thermonic value emission. In the system, the input was based on punched cards and paper type, and also the output was displayed on printouts. In this generation, the computer worked on binary coded concept languages like 0 to 1, example ENIAC and EDVAC, etc. Here is the display of vacuum tube used in first generation. So let's see, second generation, its period is 1956 to 1963. It was developed using transistor technology. Comparing to first generation, second generation size was too smaller and computing time taken for the second generation was lesser. Here is the display of transistor used in second generation. So let's see third generation. The period of this generation is 1963 to 1971. And it was developed using integrated circuit, it means IC technology. Comparing to second generation, the size of the third generation was smaller. In comparison of the second generation, the computer time take of the third generation was also lesser. The third generation computer consumed less power and also generated less heat. The maintenance cost of this generation was also low. The computer system of the third generation was easier for commercial users. It was used for commercial users. Here is the display of integrated circuit used in third generation. So let's see fourth generation. Its period is 1972 to 2010 and it was developed using microprocessor technology. By coming to fourth generation, computer became very small in size, it became very portable. The machine of the fourth generation started generating very low amount of heat. It is much faster and accuracy became more renewable and the production cost reduced to very low in comparison to the previous generation. It became available for common people. Here is the display for microprocessor technology used in fourth generation. So last but not least, here is the fifth generation. Its period is 2010 to till date. Now we are using this computer. The computer generation was being categorized on the basic hardware only, but the fifth generation technology also included software. It included software. The computer of the fifth generation had high capability and large memory capacity. Working with computer of this generation was fast and multitask could be performed seamlessly. Here the most popular advanced technology used in fifth generation, that's are artificial intelligence, quantum computation, nanotechnology, parallel processing, etc. Here is the display of artificial intelligence used in fifth generation. Thank you.